Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Gladstone. We're going to discuss our World War II country poster project for Module 2 Navajo Code Talkers. The objective for this is the following. Before reading Code Talker by Joseph Bruchac, you will work in small groups to research a country involved in World War II. Your group will create an informative and visually engaging poster that teaches the class about your assigned country and its role in the war. Your poster should help us better understand the historical background of the novel and the events happening during the time period. Assigned country. Your group will be assigned one country in World War II from either of the following: the Allied powers, so it could be the United States, Great Britain, Soviet Union, China, or France. If you are assigned a country from the Axis powers, it could be Germany, Italy, or Japan. Some suggested materials, definitely poster board if you don't want to use the computer. We spend so much time with technology that I really would like for you to use a poster board and be hands-on with this project. You can use markers, crayons, colored pencils, any printed images. You can get them printed from Staples, or you can ask me to print them for you and I will get them printed for you in color. Glue and tape. You might need index cards for notes for your presentation. I highly recommend those. You'll need your iPads and books for research, construction paper to spruce up your poster, and definitely scissors. So first, what you want to do is research your country. Use reliable resources to gather information about your assigned country during World War II. Every group member must contribute to the research and creation of this poster. Now, in creating your poster must be neat, colorful, organized, and easy to read from across the room. Include both writing and visuals: pictures, maps, symbols, timelines, flags, drawings, etc. Required poster sections. Now we're going to dive into the sections you need on your poster, and these are all required. The country title and flag. Include the name of your country in large letters, the country's flag, and whether the country was part of the Allied powers or Axis powers. Geographic location. Include a labeled map showing where the country is located, neighboring countries or surrounding bodies of water, important cities involved in World War II, and try to answer this question: why might this location have been important during the war? Government and leadership. Include the type of government during World War II, the important leaders in this country during the war, photos or drawings of leaders, and try to attempt to answer this question: how did the country's leaders influence the war? Role in World War II. Explain why the country entered the war, which side they fought for, major goals during the war, important allies or enemies, and include at least 3 major events or battles connected to the country. Military and technology. Include information about the country's military, weapons, vehicles, aircraft, ships, or technology used, photos or drawings with captions, and try to answer this question: what strengths or weaknesses did this country have during the war? And fun facts. Include at least 5 interesting facts about your country during World War II. Some examples might include some secret operations, strange inventions, famous speeches. You can also include symbols or propaganda posters and unique military strategies. So those are some options. Visual requirements. Your poster must include at least 5 images, at least 1 map, lots of color, headings for each section, and captions explaining visuals. Presentation requirements. When it's time to present, each group will give a short presentation, about 3 to 5 minutes in length, explaining the following: key facts about the country, important World War II connections, and one surprising thing your group learned. And remember, every group member must speak during the presentation. It is a requirement that every group member must speak during the presentation. Here's our grading criteria: 20 points for accurate research, 20 points for completeness, must be complete, 20 points for visual creativity and organization, 20 points for group collaboration, 20 points for presentation, bringing us to a total of 100 points. So this poster is worth 100 points. Some helpful tips: do not overcrowd your poster. Use bullet points instead of large paragraphs. Make headings bold and easy to see. Divide tasks equally among group members so it's not overwhelming. And double check facts and spelling before presenting. You want to make sure that your facts are accurate, and you want to make sure that you've correctly spelled everything on your poster before presenting. All I want you to do is work together. Every group member must contribute and present and have fun.